Welcome, in front of me is an LG K61 and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the toggle. So looks like it's right over here. And before you tap on it to turn it on, you want to hold it. This will take us to the settings where we can change a couple of the things. So number one, we have mode. You can change it from priority only to total silence. I would advise on keeping it on priority. This gives us some control over it. When we back out, we can select priorities. So in here we can set exactly what it does. So app notifications, you can set, it looks like here you can set which app can notify you or which one can't, which is a nice touch. Then we have calls from. It looks like it's set to favorite. You also have the option from contact, everyone, or no one. You can choose whichever one you want. Whatever you set will be the person who can reach you while the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. Then you have the repeated calls. This is a good option for emergency. Once you enable this, no matter what the setting here is, so we could be at none or no one, and if that no one that supposed to not be able to call you calls twice within that 15-minute period, if they do that twice, then the second time around you will actually see that they're trying to reach you. So like I said, it's good in terms of emergencies. And messages has the same options, so no one, everyone, contacts, and favorites, so you can select whichever one you want. And from there you can back out. You can also create a schedule, so this will allow you to not really have the need to turn it on. It will just be doing it itself every single day that it's set to. So as you can see, there's one set for sleeping, priority only, so that you can control it. It's set to every day and it starts at 10 and goes to 7 in the morning. You can create your own as well, so you can make it a calendar which will allow you to set a specific date, or just weekly, which gives you days of the week that you can set it to work in. So let's assume that we're gonna make a work one. We start from, for instance, 9 and at 5. There we go. 9 to 5, there we go. Mode priority, and if alarm rings, this is just an option that you can check. So if you have some kind of alarm set during that time, it will end the Do Not Disturb mode. And from there you can save it and it automatically becomes enabled. And also if the time is the same as in the schedule that we have set, it will also turn on automatically after setup, and as you can see, it did for me. So yeah, that's how you can set it up. And also you can simply tap on it from here to toggle it on and off at your will. But that is how you would set it up and use it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.